Is your child more prone to develop skin allergies, dryness and rashes in the winter season? In this video, I'll be telling you measures which will help in reducing the severity of the same. First, apply oil before bathing your kid. Second, use a moisturizing soap while bathing. Third, the water should be lukewarm. Fourth, avoid prolonged baths. 5. Apply intense moisturizer immediately after bathing. 6. Avoid contact of skin with woolen apparels. As wool causes more irritation, it comes in contact with the dry skin and triggers the itching reaction, so it's better to wear cotton instead of wool. 7th, wear full sleeves. 8th, avoid dust and mites as much as possible. These are the simple measures with which you can control the severity to a great extent. If things don't really come under control in spite of following the above mentioned measures, it's time to visit your dermatologist.